Alright. Yes. Rabbits ate my kamote. Jackrabbits cries like babies when hunter get a hold of them. Oh, Philippine Island Adventure. Dan watch your video. Sabi ni Dawan Mix Vlog. Munti, Miguel shout out. Miss Kayak, Miguel shout out. Good morning. Yes, si Marilyn. Ayaw yan ng rabbits. Ngayo ko kamatis. Hali. Hali, Sisi. Sisi ang King Fee. Uy. Munti House. Salamat. Bahog munggo. Sarap. Ang sipag ng host. Hello to all here. Good morning, host. From Munti House. Sarap munggo nahog. Yes. Langga. Miguel Love shout out Langga. Salamat guys sa inyo ha. Salamat sa inyo support. Yan. May nakaano tayo, may naka-pin. Philippine Island Adventure, okay. Yes. Kaya nga di ba? Nawa din ako. So this time naman guys, ang ating i-harvest ay ito at ipamimigay natin ito sa kapitbahay kasi na-overcrowd din. Na-overcrowded na naman itong ating garden. So, kailangan ko talagang i-cut itong mint. Alam nyo ba, ang mint is very good for your health. It's very good for cooking. It's very good for teas. And very good for cocktails. O, di ba? Ang bango. Sino kumakain ba kayo ng lamb? Who ate lamb? Sisi Pia, kumakain ka ba ng lamb? Masarap ang mint na i-brush sa lamb bago siya ilagay sa grill. Ayaw na yes, we eat lamb. It's been a while since we haven't eat lamb, but because umiiwas kami ni Habi sa too much red meat right now. More on fish kami ngayon. At saka more on fish kami and white meat. So, iwas muna kami sa masyadong red meat. Ang dami kong steak sa freezer. Naka-freezer lang muna yan. Hey, CCMD. Oh, CCMD. I-cut ko kasi itong ang dami, nag-overgrown na itong aking mint. Hindi ko man lang napapabayaan na. Ay, gulay. So, kailangan ko siyang i-cut. Tapos, pamimigay ko siya sa kapitbahay. Tapos, yan. Dito kasi, guys, we have next door up. Yung next door up dito. So, everybody, dito sa neighborhood namin, we can give something to neighbors for free. And then, they just pick it up at your house. Whatever you have na for free. Yung for free to grab, So, yan yon. Kasi one time, I also cut my, triname ko yung aking ano ba yung tawag doon? Basta, is some kind of a succulent. And then, pinamigay ko sa kapitbahay. So, yun. Mga around 2 o'clock in the afternoon, wala na, ubos na. Kinuha na nila. Diba? Good morning to Sis MD. 168 players. Morning. Pakasi, Miguel Love shout out.